Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 5. Tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, it is true. Why? The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. It is true. Why? Because mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently in a given data. Right? Because right here answer because mode is the value of the variable. Mode is the mode is the value of the variable. Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently, which occurs most frequently in a data, most frequently in a data. Right? Therefore hence mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Hence mode is always one of the numbers. Mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Right? Number 2, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. Right? This is not right. The mean is one of the numbers in data. That is false. This is false. Why it is false? Because you can say that because mean because the mean is one of the numbers in a data. No, that is false. Because we find mean by because the formula of mean is equal to sum of observation by total number of observation total number of observation right, which may not be the mean. Right? That is which may not be the numbers, one of the numbers which may not be one of the numbers one of the numbers in data, one of the numbers in a data. Right? Now question number 3 is the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Question number 3 is the median is always one of the numbers in a data. It is true. It is also true. Why? Because you can say that median is the value of the middlemost observation in the given data while arranged in ascending or descending order. Right? It is true. Because we can say that because median is the value median is the value median is the value of the middlemost observation of the middlemost observation, middlemost observation, middlemost observation, middlemost observation in the given data, in the given data while arranged in arranged in ascending or descending order, ascending or descending order, right? Therefore median is always one of the numbers in a data. Hence you can say that hence median is hence median is always one of the numbers, one of the numbers numbers in a data, in a data. Now question number 4 is, what is that? Data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 has mean 9. Let us find the mean. Let us find the mean. Mean is equal to, we find that sum of the observations by number of observations, right? That is, we are finding the mean here. Let us find the mean. Mean is equal to, we know that sum of observation by total number of observation. Mean is equal to, we are adding the numbers, that is 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9, right? And how many observation is there? You count here, that is observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 observation, right? Divided by 8. We divide this number by 8. Divided by 8. Total number of observation is 8. Right? Divided by 8. We add the numbers. Right? That is, here we are adding 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 8. 23 plus 8, 31. 31 plus 3, 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 plus 6, 40, 44. 4 carry, here it is 4. 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. That is 64. 64 by 8. And it comes to 8 8 is 64. 8 1 is 8. 8 8 is 64. It comes to 8. Here the mean is 8. That means the sum of the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 9 has mean 9. It is false, right? Because the mean is 8, right? It is false, right? This is the solution of question number 3.2 of question number 5 of exercise 3.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.